I think we badly need a place in Amritsar where there are things happening where anybody could go in and be a part of it. We have so many organizations now teaching and kind of imparting training, but I think more than that what we need now is a place where people would know anytime that they're free in the evening they can go there. They would always see some artist working, maybe some musician singing, some playing some instrument, where you could go and see the kind of what is happening in the city. Anybody who's done something would go there and showcase it there.
Gobindgarh offers an opportunity to create yet another very vital and needed public space for the community of Amritsar. The reuse plan is not just for people who will visit Amritsar, but needs to hold good for the citizens of Amritsar first. Between the inner wall of the Gobindgarh Fort and the middle wall, we propose to make a public park. While the moat can house organic farming there as a very productive landscape, which would be a very good way of maintaining the moat, while the innermost zone becomes this very vibrant space with the interpretive galleries, with the museum of artifacts, with cafeterias and restaurant, as well as some activity areas for different age groups.
Amritsar, first being on the border, there are half the people who were living here have been to Pakistan. On partition they've gone to Pakistan, so they have their souls here. Half of the Lahore has been living in Amritsar. So these two cities are like twin brothers who've been separated forcefully. So they long for each other. So it's amazing the kind of feeling anybody, even I got that feeling when I went to Lahore for the first time, because you might travel all over the world. It's different. Going to any foreign country is a pleasure. But when you go to Pakistan, it's like you're talking to your long lost brother.
We do feel that the fort offers an opportunity to create a space for interaction between the artists of the region. Not only between India and Pakistan, it could actually be a space for interaction between artists from the SAARC countries. It is through the art form we feel that many of the ideas of which have actually pained communities over the centuries in history, that people can engage with that thought and work with this aspect of reconciliation and peace.
At least it will initiate a process of reconciliation of differences, both between different communities and within individuals themselves. It will start a process of repair of the loss that took place so many years ago. The sense of despair needs to be now put to rest, and a sense of optimism needs to grow. Along with that will come a recognition of one's own culture, one's own heritage and one's own values. And we feel that this institution will play a major role in re-establishing that sense among the people of Amritsar and of the region.
Art and culture should become an integral part of every citizen. It's a food for the soul. When we sing our hymns, when we meditate, what is that? That is, we want to change from bad to good. We want to finish evil now. And art and culture can play one of the finest things that they can play in the role in molding the kids and the grown-ups also.